Hello and welcome to this short video on S/4HANA New Installation Part 1 with Maintenance Planner. My name is Mahesh Sardesai. I'm the product expert from S/4HANA Regional Implementation Group. I'm covering initial shipment of S/4HANA 1909 and the procedure is similar to other releases. So here we have the link to Maintenance Planner. I will open it in a new window. So click on the link for Maintenance Planner. Then click on the Fury tile Plan for S/4HANA. In this screen, we get the link for downloading installation guides. Here you can click on the link for documentation. You can select the version here. Here you'll find the installation guide. You can click on View All to get to the administration guide for implementation, which is the main document referred for this installation. You can click on the PDF link here to download the PDF file. And this has the index as shown. You can keep the default selection for the new install and click on Next. You can enter the SID, select the target version 1909, select the target stack and any of the components. Click on Next. Here we select the Fury front-end server co-deployed with backend. This is the recommended option and you can learn more about it in the deployment guide by opening the document in the link I have provided in the blog. You should select Fury UIs according to what you need. Uncheck the obsolete ones. Click on Next. Then click on Continue Planning. The summary of planned system with all components is shown. Click on Next. In this screen, you can select OSDB dependent files. Here you would select the operating system. Click on Confirm Selection. In the next screen, select Stack Dependent and Independent files. Here are the stack dependent files. Then you have stack independent files, Fury Frontend Server 6, Fury S/4HANA 1909 and non-ABAP. In the non-ABAP part are the language files. You have to deselect languages you don't need and click Next. Here you can download the stack XML file, push the files to download basket. Now before you push the files to download basket, ensure that you have emptied the download basket as it may contain previously selected files. For this, you have to go to URL for download basket and select the files and click on delete. You can then click on push to download basket. You can click on utilities to generate side effect report. Check upgrade dependencies. Select security notes. Add from download basket. In the additional download, you can download text files, PDF file with summary of transactions and export to Excel spreadsheet. This file shows the name of all files and sizes. The PDF file is shown here with the planned changes and components. This is the size of the download. Then you can download the HANA database software. Select the HANA Platform Edition. Select HANA Database 2. Select the HANA client. If you will be using a live cache, select LC apps. You can download the best practices content activation transport and add it to a download basket. The rest of the blog shows the component for incidents and other references. So here we have the content of the download basket. Hope you have enjoyed the blog and talk to you in part 2. Thank you.